This car has a 31-inch cinema screen in the back, doors that close themselves, and a ride so quiet it feels unreal. But that's not why the BMW i7 is shocking. This is BMW's flagship sedan, and instead of chasing noise, speed, or aggression, BMW built something different. They built calm, control, presence. From the outside, the BMW i7 doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. The proportions are long and confident, the stance is wide and deliberate, and the illuminated kidney grille announces arrival without saying a word. This isn't a car designed to impress everyone. It's designed for people who already know where they stand. The split headlight design gives it a futuristic identity, and the paint reflects light like liquid metal. Every surface feels premium, every line intentional. Even standing still, the i7 feels expensive. But the real story doesn't start until you open the door. Inside, the BMW i7 feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Soft leather wraps almost every surface, real wood trims add warmth, and subtle metal accents catch the light without shouting. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, creating a calm, modern atmosphere, especially at night. In front of the driver, BMW's curved digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment into one clean, seamless screen. Everything is sharp, responsive, and easy to use. Press the start button, and there's silence. No engine noise, no vibration. This is fully electric. Pull away, and the car moves smoothly and effortlessly. Acceleration is instant but controlled. The suspension absorbs broken roads with ease, and the steering feels light in the city and confident on the highway. This isn't a car that pushes you to drive fast. It makes driving feel easy. And yet, even with all this refinement, the best seat in the car isn't the driver's seat. Step into the back, and the BMW i7 reveals its true purpose. The rear seats recline deeply, legroom feels endless, and the doors close softly behind you. Then, from the roof, a massive 31-inch theater screen lowers into place. Paired with a premium sound system, the back seat becomes a private cinema. This isn't a gimmick. This is executive luxury. The technology throughout the car works quietly in the background. Seats remember preferences. Climate control adjusts automatically. Driver assistance systems guide smoothly without feeling intrusive. Nothing here demands attention. Everything supports you. This is a car designed for people whose time matters. People who want peace instead of noise, comfort instead of chaos. And BMW understands that perfectly. On the highway, the BMW i7 feels isolated from the world. Wind noise disappears, road noise fades, and the cabin remains calm even at speed. Despite its size, the car never feels heavy. Despite its luxury, it never feels disconnected. This is not a car
Protective
built to prove
film
success.
removed from dashboard, center
The
console,
BMW i7
iDrive
is for
controller.
people who
Introducing
value
the all-new
silence over
BMW
sound,
i7,
experience
Elegance
over
Edition,
excess,
featuring
and presence
Tanzanite
over
Red Metallic
performance
paint
numbers.
and 21-inch
It's not about
M-Light
being
alloy
seen.
wheels.
It's about arriving comfortably. If you enjoy premium, cinematic car reviews like this, subscribe to Noman Inside for more luxury stories done right. And now tell me in the comments, would you rather drive the BMW i7 or sit in the back and let the world move around you? The silence breaks,
All remaining
not with
exterior
noise,
protective
but with
films
presence.
removed.
Rolling
Car
away
polished.
from marble and glass into open roads, the car feels impossibly stable. Mountain curves don't challenge it, they complement it. The suspension reads the road like a language it was born speaking. Along riversides, reflections stretch across the black bodywork as the rims rotate with hypnotic precision. There's speed here, undeniable speed, but it never feels aggressive. It feels controlled, refined. Through jungle roads and open highways, the car doesn't fight the environment. It flows through it. Overtakes happen effortlessly, not as moments of drama, but as quiet demonstrations of capability. One press, one surge, then calm again. This isn't adrenaline for chaos. It's power with manners. And that's the difference. The La Royale X doesn't make you feel fast. It makes the world feel slow. Every road becomes smoother. Every turn becomes predictable. Every kilometer feels intentional. This is driving, elevated to philosophy. Controlled, symmetrical, like it belongs to the mansion behind it. The black bodywork stretches wide across the marble driveway, broken only by subtle reflections of glass walls and palm trees. Diamond-cut forged rims sit deep inside the arches, filling every millimeter with purpose. Nothing looks decorative. Everything looks intentional. The spoiler doesn't scream for attention. It exists because physics demanded it. Carbon fiber, sculpted, functional. This is what luxury looks like when it stops asking for approval. Every line flows into the next without aggression, yet nothing feels soft. It's the confidence of something that knows it's irreplaceable. The La Royale X isn't trying to look futuristic. It looks inevitable. As the camera circles, the car stays grounded, planted, unmoving, as if the world should rotate around it instead. Even at rest, there's tension in its
BMW
posture, like a
eDrive
restrained
electric
force
motors,
waiting to be
536
released.
horsepower.
This is the kind of design
Adaptive
that
air
doesn't
suspension.
age. It doesn't follow trends. It defines a standard.
Dual motors,
And standing here,
536
in silence,
horsepower,
you realize something
745
important.
Newton-meters.
This car doesn't need motion to feel alive.
105.7 kilowatt
It already
hour
is.
battery.
This isn't a launch. This isn't a commercial. And this isn't about speed numbers shouted into a microphone. This is a moment. In front of a billionaire's modern mansion. White marble beneath, glass and palm reflections around. The Bugatti La Royale X doesn't arrive loudly. It waits. Low, silent, dominant. Black absorbs the golden hour light instead of reflecting it. Every surface feels deliberate, controlled, almost intimidating, as if the car is aware it doesn't need to prove anything. The La Royale X isn't designed to chase attention. It's designed to command it. As the camera moves closer, the proportions reveal themselves. The ultra-wide stance, the impossibly low ride height, the precision in every curve. This isn't excess. This is restraint perfected. Bugatti didn't create this to compete with other hypercars. They created it to sit above the conversation. And today, we're not rushing. We're not shouting. We're taking this in the way